Hello friends, in this video I'm going to share with you my personal experience with Aeropress. Personally, Aeropress is one of my favorite coffee brewer. The reason behind that is I can brew a lot of different drink from that single brewer, and another thing, the flexibility of the grind size and the extraction time. I don't have to worry that much for the grind size and the extraction time in this brewer. So in this video I'm going to share with you 7 different drinks which I love to brew with my Aeropress. And the coffee bean which I'm using is from yirgacheffe, Ethiopia. For all the drink I'm going to use same coffee beans with 18 gram of coffee. And my first drink, it will be espresso style coffee. 18 gram of coffee, grind it fine, similar to espresso. 9 click in Brewer if you are using. And always rinse your filter with hot water to avoid that papery taste and for hygiene. For the espresso with Aeropress, I am going to add 50 gram of water with the temperature of 92 degrees Celsius. And I'll start extracting immediately. I'll not wait for degas. Here is my espresso. It's ready. It's very simple to make espresso with Aeropress. It's a second drink and it's a Amrigano style coffee. Same 18 gram of coffee, grind it fine, similar to espresso. Again 9 click in Brewer. It will be fine grind. Same for the espresso. For my Americano with Aeropress, I am going to add 160 gram of water with the temperature of 92 degrees Celsius. And I'll wait for 30 seconds for degas, but I'll not mix, I'll leave it simply as it is. Once it show me 30 seconds, in my timer, I'll start extracting. And whenever we are pressing, we have to balance our pressure. We should not over press it, the plunger. It will take time for extraction, like around 25 to 40 seconds, no problem with Aeropress for the extraction time. So here is my Americano, it's ready. In third drink, I'm going to do instant iced coffee. Like I'm going to use cold water to brew my iced coffee. So I'll take again 18 gram of coffee and I'll grind it in 20 grind size if I'm using Brewer. If not Brewer, then you can select that kind of grind size which is a starting of medium grind size. And I'm going to add 180 gram of cold water, and then once I add water, I'll mix it properly, and then once I mix it, I'll wait for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I'll put my plunger and start extracting. So that's how I used to make instant iced coffee with Aeropress. For the fourth drink, it will be iced latte. And instead of water, I'm going to use cold milk. 18 gram of coffee and same 20 click in Brewer. If no Brewer, then same starting point of medium grind size. And in this, I'm going to use cold milk. So I'll add 220 gram of cold milk. Once I add my milk, I'll wait for 1 minute on this because milk is thick, so I have to mix. I'll mix it properly. After 1 minute only, I'll start pressing. And while pressing on this, we have to be a little bit careful because milk is thick, so it will take some time to extract. So be patient and extract it gently. So here is my iced latte, it's ready. For a fifth drink, it will be classic Aeropress drink. And for my classic Aeropress coffee, I'm going to use in opposite direction. Like Aeropress, you can use in any direction, either in this way or in this way. So I'll use opposite direction over here. I'll grind it in medium grind size, similar to V60 or Chemex. It's grind size 42 in Brewer. So I'm going to add my same 18 gram of coffee. Once I add my coffee, level the belt. So I'm going to add 180 gram of hot water with 90 degrees Celsius. Once I add water, I'll mix it. Once I mix it, I'll place the cap. It has gas inside, so I'll release that air or gas, you can say anything. Once I release that, I'll wait for 40 seconds. Once I wait for 40 seconds, after that I'll start extracting. So here is my classic Aeropress drink. And my sixth drink, it will be classic diluted drink. 18 gram of coffee in Breville 52 grind size. If you don't have Breville, similar to V60 and Chemex grind size. I'll add 140 gram of hot water with 90 degrees Celsius and I'll mix it. Once I mix it, I'll leave it as it is for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I'll close the lid and I'll start extracting. Once I extract, after that I'll add hot water again and then I'll enjoy my cup of diluted drink. And this is my last drink, cold brew with Aeropress. Once again, 18 gram of coffee in Breville grind size 56. It's a crosser grind size. I'm going to add 220 gram of cold water. And then once I add water, I'll cover the lid. Now I'll press and let the gas to be skipped. After that I'll put inside the fridge for 12 hours. After 12 hours, I'll take it out and then extract and then enjoy my cold brew. I hope you enjoyed this video and get convinced also that Aeropress is one of my favorite coffee brewer. It's a multitasking brewer, Aeropress. You can brew lot of different drinks from this brewer within a minute. So try this method and recipe to brew your Aeropress and let me know in the comment which one you like the more or enjoy the most while brewing. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in my another video.